What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Y7 2K18 and Y7 2K17 model. And you can see both the devices are in front of us, and this time the display has actually changed a lot, so you can see clear difference between both the devices, and there are many other improvements in the Y series now. But for now we will be just talking about the speed of both the devices, and for this let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. Y7 2K18 is having 3 GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 430 processor, while the Y7 2K17 is having 2 GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 435 processor. So let's start our speed test right away, and you can see there is no app running in the background. And let's start the stopwatch to begin the first round of our speed test, which is actually to open all these set of applications and see the time taken by each device to complete the first round. And in the next round we will be doing the RAM management test to see if both these devices can keep these applications which we opened in the first round running or not. So you can see right now both the devices are on the Temple Run 2, and interestingly they are very close to each other, and actually Y7 2K18 has taken the lead and it is now moving to the Photoshop. So we are going great on both the devices. So after this round we will be analyzing the time taken by both the devices, and we are now on the color switch and we are moving to the lap set on the Y7 2K18 model, and we are here to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds which is actually the same length clip on both the devices. And 2K17 model is also on the lap set now, and it is retrieving the same clip which the 2K18 model is doing. So let's see which device comes faster, and you can see clearly the 18 model has taken the lead again and it is doing great actually. So only difference in this set of applications is Amazon is on the 18 model and I have a different shopping application on the 17 model as I have recorded this video later. So you can see the 18 model has finished and it has taken a time of 1 minute and 20 seconds, while the 17 model is actually taken a time of 1 minute and 28 seconds. So there is a difference of only 8 seconds in the first round in both the devices. So that is not a huge difference in the first round. So let's move to our next round of RAM management test, and you can see we are now moving and we are opening these applications, and let's see if these applications are present in the background or not. And right now both the devices are going great and they have kept these applications running in the background. That is very interesting to see for both the devices. Actually the 2K17 model is only having 2 GB of RAM, but it is very well optimized and it is keeping the things running in the background. So it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 45 seconds on 18 model, while the 17 model has taken a time of 1 minute and 58 seconds. You can see clearly the 18 model has won it, but that's not a huge difference. The difference is only of 13 seconds in both the devices. But the 18 model overall is actually a very great device to buy. As you can see, we have the infinity display now, the 18:9 aspect ratio, and many other things, the dual cameras and a great build quality. For this the 18 model is also the winner. So in the speed test the 18 model was also the winner. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.